And all, welcoming each and everyone who are here for the National Workshop on Patent Filing and Prosecution Procedure in India, organized by the Postgraduate Department of Commerce, collaborating with Assumption College. Myself, Chinmay Shankar. For all good deeds, we need the blessing. So I invite Department Choir for the prayer.
या कुन्दिता तुषार भातधवला या शुभ्रस्तात् या वीणाभरद् मण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करा प्रभृतिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यः
We are glad with the presence of you all. Inviting each and every one of you is an inevitable part of this program. For that, with due respect, I invite Dr. Varghese Antony Sir, Vice Principal and HOD of Commerce Department, to extend the honorable words of welcome.
Most respected Reverend Father Joshi Chiranguri CMI, and coordinator of today's program, faculty member of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, teachers and participants from various other colleges, and my pleasure to welcome all of you to the webinar on the topic Patent Filing and Prosecution Procedure in India under the auspices of the Postgraduate Department of Commerce of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, as well as the Postgraduate Department of Commerce of Assumption Autonomous College. A patent is a right granted to an individual or enterprise by the government, which excludes others from making, using, selling, or importing the patented product or process without prior approval. Patent filing or patent registration is the first step an inventor takes to protect his invention from being misused. Patent filing in India involves various legal formalities which can be done easily only with the right legal guidance. Any business entity or an individual who believes in securing their patent should get a legal consultation from expert patent practitioners. A patent can be filed by any individual or business that wants to protect an invention or an idea. An invention can be a new product or a new process. Today, we are going to listen the various aspects that are being related to the filing and prosecution procedure of patent rights in India from an eminent personality like Professor Prashant Rajiv. It is my duty to welcome all the dignitaries as well as the participants to this webinar. First of all, the principal of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, Reverend Father Joshi Chiranguri, CMI, an eminent administrator, is providing full support to the faculty members as well as the students for organizing various programs for the benefit of the students as well as for the benefit of the institution. He provides full support and all the facilities that are required for conducting all these types of programs. For and on behalf of the participants, with great pleasure, I welcome Reverend Father Joshi Chirangari, Principal of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, to this webinar. Welcome, Father. Dr. Anita Jose, Principal of Assumption Autonomous College, is also being present here. This program is jointly organized by the Christiodi College as well as Assumption College. So, on behalf of the participants, I welcome Dr. Anita Jose, Principal of Assumption College, to this webinar. Welcome. The resource person of today's webinar, Professor Prashant Rajiv, who is also the founder and Chief Research and Development Officer of ANSA Infotech. He is also an empaneled resource person of MNRE Government of India, Mentor of Change at Niti Aayog Government of India. He has presented papers in various seminars all over India. So we have great pleasure to welcome an eminent personality like Professor Prashant Rajiv to this session. So on behalf of the participants and on behalf of Christiodi College as well as Assumption College, I cordially welcome Professor Prashant Rajiv to this webinar. Welcome, sir. Mrs. Sensi Kyriakos, head of the Department of the Postgraduate Department of Commerce, is also being present here. She is also providing all the facilities that are required for conducting this type of a program. So I cordially welcome Mrs. Sensi Kyriakos, head of the Department of the Postgraduate Department of Commerce, Assumption College, Changanasheri. Dr. Anu Anthony, who is also the NAC IQAC Coordinator of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, as well as the PG Course Coordinator, is the chief organizer of this webinar. On behalf of the participants, I cordially welcome Dr. Anu Anthony to this program.
Thank you, sir.
This program is being attended by faculty members from various colleges within Kerala as well as outside Kerala and all over India. Various participants are being from different other states. Our students are also participating in this program. I cordially welcome all the faculty members of other institutions, students who are participating in this webinar. I cordially welcome all the participants to this program. Once again, I welcome all the participants and wish you a nice session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Wagi sir, and I honorably welcome you, sir, to this gathering.
Thank you.
Lighting a lamp always sheds away the darkness of ignorance. Even though it's a virtual meeting, we are equipped with a lamp lighting ceremony, which symbolifies as the official inauguration of today's endeavor. So let's move on to the lamp lighting ceremony. I invite your attention to the screen, please. Yes, the time that you're waiting for has arrived. This national workshop, organized by the Postgraduate Department of Commerce, is going to get a spirit through the words of our honorable resource person, Professor Prashant Rajiv. To speak about him, Professor Prashant Rajiv, founder and chief executive officer, Cosmic Infotech, founder and chief executive officer, Travancore Foods and Beverages, founder and chief marketing officer, ANSA Infotech, empaneled resource person, Anand MNRE, Government of India, mentor of Change ATL, Niti Aayog, Government of India, assessor NAR, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, food safety supervisor, FSSAI Incubate, RKVA Rafta, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, tour trainer, ASAP, Government of Kerala, mentor and facilitator, YIPK DISC, Government of Kerala, Government of India, IPR and Startup Consultant, former Associate Director, Startups and Innovation, Rajadhani Group of Institution and Associate Professor, former Nodal Officer, KSUM and Innovation Ambassador, IIC. So with great excitement, I invite you, sir, to handle this session.
Thank you. Dr. Anu ma'am, let me start. Hello, it's audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Anu ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please put it into the slide mode. Yeah, okay. Let me start.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. My voice is audible?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. A warm good evening to all. Myself Prashant, and today we discuss about the patent filing prosecution procedures in India. Then, first of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the organization teams of Prosecution College and Assumption College for giving such a wonderful opportunity for me. Today, in this webinar. Ma'am, please move to the next slide. Yeah, this is the agenda of today's webinar. So first one is the intellectual property rights, IPR. The second one is patent, and then patent filing procedures in India. Then what are the documents required for filing a patent application? Then the last one is more important for you, the useful information of inventors to protect their own ideas, and useful website for patent search. Okay, then please next. Yeah. In this presentation, I put in the most of you must keep the document of power of document from the power of attorney. Okay. So these are the main documents required for filing a patent application. I will explain once more. The form 1 is an application form. Then form 2 either professional or a complete specification. If you have an idea only, you must file a professional application. Then within 12 months, you can complete move to the complete specification filing. Okay, then drawings is to describe the invention clearly and sufficiently. Then abstract of the invention is then undertaking under section 8. Then declaration of your inventorship with the complete specification. Then including current status of each foreign patent application, listing the number, filing date, etc., etc. Then documents of claim priority. Claim priority is a very important. I already explained that. Then the document from the power of attorney. If the patent application document from the power of attorney. Okay. Okay, move to the next slide, ma'am. Yeah. Next is a question answer. Is what is a professional specification? Somebody has doubts. What is professional application? What is complete specification? Or what is in which only an inventive idea need to be disclosed. If you have an idea and you need time to complete your idea to prototype or professional application. That means in professional application, the inventive idea need to be disclosed. There is no other detailed description, detailed figures, claims. Then no need to required for filing a professional application. So within the 12 months, you must complete your invention. That means you can complete your product or process from idea stage to a prototype stage, or idea stage to a product or development stage. That's including the detailed description, detailed specification, detailed drawings, detailed claim priorities, either independent or dependent. Okay, so within 12 months, you can file a complete specification. That is the difference between complete specification, complete filing option. Okay. Then next is what is the term of patent in India? Normally in India, I already said that the patent laws are differ from country to country. In India, the term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing of the patent application. After that, your case of a patent. In copyright, I think the term of patent is around 60 years, I think. Okay. Then next. Yeah. And is there any fee for renewing the patent? Yes. the term of patent is 20 years and the applicant has renewed the patent from third year up to 20th year by paying the renewal fee to make his if the government granted a patent for you, then move to the next slide. Yeah, this is the most important thing for you. It's a useful information to the inventors to protect your inventions. If you're doing a research or if you're writing a technical paper, if you're doing a project, if anyone, it's just teachers, students, researchers, anyone doing their research or paper writing, then project, etc. You must maintain a record of your research methodically. Okay, maintain your record of your research methodically or step by step, and do not publish your invention before filing the patent application. Most of the research scholars are they have done their PhD or they have done the any research work, and then they go for publishing in international journal or national journal. Okay, then if you are interested to filing a patent, or if you legally protect your invention, if your invention has a commercial potential, you must file a patent. So if you go for a patent, your research work or your product or your process, do not publish your invention before filing the patent application. If you are publishing, then the novelty, the loss of your novelty of your product. So do not publish your invention before filing the patent application if you go for a legal protection for your inventions. Okay, and third one is file a patent application as early as possible. Because there is two options there. It's a professional application and complete specification application. If you have an idea only, you just go to the professional specification. I think you have 12 months to complete the entire process. Okay, then if your invention has complete specification with the detailed drawings, then you go for complete specification file. Okay, then before filing a patent, you must conduct a patent search. That means the patent search means if your idea has some novelty and industrial application, you must know the similar item is anywhere available in any country, in India or Europe, Singapore, Japan, etc., or European Union, etc. So you must conduct a patent search before filing the patent application. Okay. Then, after the patent is granted, pay a renewal fee regularly, because then the payment is start from third year up to the 20th year by paying the renewal fee to make your patent application is alive, or your patent is inactive. Okay. Then last one is the ensure maximum commercial exploitation. You know that. Why did you go for a patent? Then if your invention have a patent, only your product or process or your invention must be commercialized and to generate revenue. Okay. Then otherwise, your patent is you transfer your technology to the other person to making revenue. It's called a technology transfer. So ensure maximum commercial exploitation of your invention after granting the patent. Okay. Then move to next slide, ma'am. Yeah, these are the useful website of patent search. If you need anyone, please write this site. This is a very useful site for patent search. For Indian patent, there is a www.ipindia.nic.in. It's a India government site. Then in US patent, www.uspto.gov. For European patents, ep.espacenet.com. Then for PCT application, www.wipo.international. Then just google.com/patents, and there is a lot of other sites are there. Freepatentsonline.com. Then for Singapore patents, www.ipos.gov.sg. For Japanese patent, www.jpo.go.jp. And another one is an Australian IP. In Australia government, they provide a innovation patent and complete patent applications. I think innovation patent, the deadline, the last date of innovation patent is August 25th, already expired. I think the Australian government reopened the innovation grant portal after 3 years. I think after 3 years. There is some legal issues are there. So they closed the innovation grant patent portal temporarily. Okay. So okay, then these are the I think these are the useful information for protecting your idea. And if you have any queries, and last slide, please. Last slide. My mobile number, my mail ID.
Now it's time for you, dear listeners. If you have any
Yeah, please, yeah.
you are free to ask.
Yeah, yeah. This is my mail ID and mobile number. If you have any queries, you just text a message to my mail or WhatsApp in the first number 999522816 is my personal number, and 9074569205 is my official number. If you have any queries and any doubts, please text a mail or text a WhatsApp message, or please please call a ring. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Prashant sir, for being with us.
Thank
So, as
you.
a token of love, Postgraduate Department of Commerce of Tuskegee College like to share with you a certificate of appreciation. So, I invite Dr. Anu Anthony, ma'am, NAC and IQSC PG course coordinator, to hand over the certificate.
Thank you, Team Kusujoti and Assumption College for giving a certificate of appreciation. Thank you a lot.
Moving on to the concluding part of today's event, it's time to express the words of gratitude to all of you gathered here. I would like to invite Ms. Shinsi Kuriakos, HOD of Commerce Department, Assumption College, to extend the words of gratitude.
Thank you. Respected dignitaries and participants from various colleges, Peter Drucker once said, knowledge has power. It controls access to opportunity and advancement. Today's session was an insightful one filled with knowledge. It's an honor to offer a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, on behalf of Tuskegee College of Management and Technology and Assumption College Autonomous Dynasty, I extend a hearty gratitude to Professor Prashant Sajeev, Founder and Chief Research and Development Officer of ANSA Infotech, for his invaluable session on patent filing and prosecution procedure in India. Thank you so much, sir. We have been fortunate to have with us Reverend Father Joshi Chiramkudi, CMI, the principal of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, and Dr. Anita Jose, principal of Assumption College. Thank you for creating an opportunity for this wonderful initiative. I extend a word of gratitude to Dr. Varghese Anthony, Vice Principal and HOD of Commerce Department, Christiodi College of Management and Technology, for organizing this session. It has been a pleasure working with you, sir. A big mention to the vibrant organizing secretary of Dr. Anu Anthony, the NAC Accuracy Coordinator and PG Course Coordinator of Christiodi College, for her dedicated and well-motivated efforts that made this session possible. Finally, thanking the faculties and students for their participation and active listening. As Prashant sir rightly said, IPR is the exclusive rights given to persons over the creation of their minds for certain periods of time. Given to persons over the creation of their minds for certain periods of time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we have some questions in the chat box, sir. Can you please?
Yes. Then on Mr. Ambarish PA, please highlight on patent prosecution procedures. Ambarish, I already explained in the PPT. The prosecution procedure means there is 9 steps are there. Steps 1 is a filing a patent application. Then next is a publication, and then opposition, then request for examination, then issuance of the first examination report, and after that the reply of examination report, and finally the government sanctioned grant of patent. Okay. Then the last step is the renewal of fees. I think I will explain in detail about these prosecution procedures in my presentation. Okay. Then another question is, there is any feedback from that presentation? Yeah. Is there any questions? I think there is no other questions in the chat box.
Thank you, sir. So the National Workshop on Patent Filing and Prosecution Procedure in India, organized by the Postgraduate Department of Commerce of Christiodi College of Management and Technology, collaborating with Assumption College